Red-billed Quelea habitat. The red-billed Quelea is a small bird species that is native to sub-Saharan Africa. This bird is known for its large flocks that can contain millions of individuals, and it is often considered to be one of the most abundant birds in the world. Red-billed Queleas are adaptable birds that can be found in a variety of habitats, including grasslands, savannas, wetlands, and agricultural areas. During the breeding season, red-billed Queleas tend to congregate in large colonies in open grasslands or areas with scattered bushes and trees. They build their nests in trees or bushes, and the males perform elaborate courtship displays to attract mates. Overall, the red-billed Quelea is a highly adaptable bird species that can thrive in a variety of different habitats across its range. The red-billed Quelea, Quelea quelea, is a small, sparrow-like bird that is native to sub-Saharan Africa. It is known for its large flocks, which can contain millions of individuals and can cause significant damage to crops. The red-billed Quelea is considered to be one of the most abundant bird species in the world, with an estimated global population of over 1 billion individuals. They are found in a wide range of habitats, including grasslands, savannas, and agricultural areas. While the large flocks of Queleas can be a nuisance to farmers, they also play an important role in their ecosystem. They are seed eaters and help to disperse seeds throughout their range, which can help to maintain plant diversity. Additionally, they provide a source of food for predators such as raptors and snakes. Despite their abundance, red-billed Queleas face a number of threats, including habitat loss and fragmentation, hunting, and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to help protect this important species. Red-billed Queleas, Quelea quelea, are highly adaptable birds that can be found in a wide range of habitats across sub-Saharan Africa, including grasslands, savannas, wetlands, and agricultural areas. They are known for their large flocks, which can number in the millions, and their ability to consume vast quantities of grass seed, which is their primary food source. They are highly social birds that breed in large colonies, often in wetland areas. Despite their impressive reproductive abilities, however, red-billed Queleas are considered a pest species in many areas due to the damage they can cause to agricultural crops. Red-billed Queleas are social birds that often form colonies of thousands to millions of individuals during the breeding season. These colonies can be found in open grasslands or areas with scattered bushes and trees, where the birds build their nests. The nests are typically constructed in trees or bushes, and may be made of grass, leaves, and other materials. These displays may include singing, dancing, and showing off their brightly colored feathers. Once a female has chosen a mate, the pair will work together to build their nest and raise their young. Red-billed Queleas are known for their massive flocks, which can be both a blessing and a curse. While the large numbers provide protection from predators, they can also cause significant damage to crops and other vegetation. As a result, these birds are often considered pests by farmers in certain regions. In Africa, south of the Sahara, there's a bird that roams the countryside in flocks, hordes, really, of 2 million or more. They fly in such tightly synchronized masses they can be mistaken at a distance for clouds of smoke. The birds are red-billed Quelea. It's estimated there are 1.5 billion of them, making them the most abundant of all wild birds. The sparrow-sized red-billed Quelea, which is in the weaver family, has a stout, seed-cracking bill. The birds are mostly brown, but breeding males have red and black feathered heads. Quelea nest in enormous colonies. A single tree may be hung with hundreds, even thousands, of carefully woven nests. Single colonies can cover hundreds of acres, totaling tens of millions of birds. Unfortunately, their tastes include cultivated crops, like millet. In fact, the increased planting of cereal crops over the last 50 years may have dramatically increased the number of Quelea. But setting aside their taste for crops, the sight of a couple million red-billed Quelea swirling in unison and creating ever-changing patterns in the air is one of nature's most amazing spectacles. For BirdNote, I'm Michael Stein. Support for BirdNote comes from the Port Aransas Tourism Bureau, home to hundreds of species of birds, and the Whooping Crane Festival in February. More at visitportaransas.com. Red-billed Quelea, Quelea, is a small bird species that belongs to the weaver family. They are found in large flocks in Africa south of the Sahara and are known for their synchronized movements that can be mistaken for smoke or swarms of locusts. These birds are mostly brown in color, with males sporting red and black heads during the breeding season. Red-billed Queleas are seed-eating birds and are known to be major agricultural pests, especially in regions where they occur in large numbers. They feed on a wide range of grass seeds, including those of cereal crops such as sorghum, millet, and rice. Their large flocks can cause significant damage to crops, leading to food shortages and economic losses for farmers. Despite being considered pests, red-billed Queleas are also an important source of food for humans and animals alike. In some African countries, they are caught and eaten as a delicacy, and their eggs are also consumed. They are also a vital source of food for raptors and other predators. Due to their large population size and widespread distribution, red-billed Queleas are considered a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, their status as agricultural pests means they are often targeted for control measures, such as the use of pesticides and bird-scaring devices. Queleas are small, sparrow-like birds that are known for their enormous colonies, which can consist of tens of millions of birds. They are found in sub-Saharan Africa and are considered to be one of the most numerous bird species in the world. Queleas build their nests in trees and bushes, and a single tree may be adorned with hundreds or even thousands of nests. These nests are carefully woven from grass, and each one can accommodate a single pair of birds. The colonies are highly organized, with birds flying in coordinated flocks and nesting in close proximity to one another. While the sight of so many birds in one place can be awe-inspiring, Quelea colonies can also cause significant damage to crops. The birds feed on grains and can quickly decimate entire fields if left unchecked. As a result, they are often viewed as pests by farmers in the region.